So for years and years and years, Michael Henry and I have been editing sketches together, and whenever the picture is locked and we have a chance to work on audio, we know what that means. It's sound effects time, baby. If you like a Michael Henry sketch, then you gotta like sound effects. They pretty much go hand in hand.
Well, what could be better than that?
The understudy for the lead dancer.
Botox, filler, and some juice to make my muscles look swole.
Good call.
What about you, Michael? What are you gonna be?
Who gives a about Halloween right now?
Every dart, every whistle, every foghorn. We try to figure out what is the best sound effect for a moment. So we'll be going back and forth and I'll be like, hey Michael, what do you think of this one? And he'll come back with, how about this? And then I'll come back. And he'll come back. Because it's tough. You don't really ever know what exactly the sound you're looking for. You just know what it sounds like in your mind and what it should be. It's a sound effect science, if you will. And who better to talk sound effects with than Mr. Michael Henry? We're gonna see if Michael Henry knows the sound effects. I'm gonna play a sound effect from Michael, and he's gonna talk about what it sounds like, what he thinks it sounds like, and what the name of the sound effect is. And for every single one he gets right, he will earn $1 on a gift card to Subway. Let's bring down Michael. Michael, come on down. Seemed like a heck of a ride, Michael. Thanks for coming on in.
I gave my broom a break and used the table.
What do sound effects mean to you?
I think that you could make something double funny if you add a sound effect, like a fart. Like if Pete Zayas is getting up, I add a fart. If Pete Zayas is sitting down, I add a fart. If Pete Zayas is running, we add a fart. It adds drama.
So the first sound effect is?
Is it like the Roadrunner? It's a Roadrunner.
Cartoon ricochet.
Like if someone's running, I would use that.
That's like a speed, like get out of here.
Like if someone stole.
Have you ever stolen before?
When I was younger, we used cable that wasn't ours. It was sweet. We had HBO. I watched all of Sex and the City in 6th grade. I knew what sex was. Someone had like a big butt. Maybe that's like a big butt sound. Something bounced off a big butt. It sounds like going up the steps and then a spittoon. A mouse running up the steps and then gotta spit out your tobacco.
Close. The answer is stairs, sneaky climb. So kind of, yeah, she kind of got it right.
Yeah, I did that.
I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that one.
Thank you. Splat.
Oh, you're actually close.
Squish. Splart. Squat. Shark?
No, not shark. Now you're farther away. Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Squirt.
That's an X-rated one. That squirt sounded like there was a fart in it. This is definitely sounds like arousal. So I would use it if I thought there was some sort of like cutie in the video. Is there men screaming?
Boom! Nailed it!
I know what a man sounds like when he's screaming. These are my favorite sound effects. High drama, haunting, spooky, but I guess it would be called Old House.
Sudden realizations.
I could see myself realizing things. This is good. These are good. Kisses. I love the first one.
That was a kiss pop.
It's definitely a rimming. Foghorn? Steam horn? Foghorn. And I like it because they used to use it on Rocko's Modern Life. That's a hard. We've used this.
It's obviously an animal. What animal is it?
Gorilla, lion, tiger, bear. Now, we've used that for anus also. That's like a shock
Kind of, yeah. It's funny because this is actually one that we've used a lot in our sketches, but it's a royalty-free sound effect that they've used in like movies since the 50s. So it's a little ode to sound effects.
Oh, okay. I like that a lot now.
Yeah, the Wilhelm scream.
Who?
The Wilhelm scream. That's what it's called.
Wilhelm.
Yeah.
Bone crack.
Need we say more?
Honey.
Michael, so you're going out tonight?
Yeah. Hard. Stiff.
Twang spraying, but I think we can make an adjustment on that one.
Please adjust the hard.
So Michael earned himself $8 on a Subway gift card.
Enough to get a bag of Sun Chips? I love Sun Chips. Can you even buy them anywhere else?
They don't taste as good anywhere else for some reason. You know your sound effects.
I have a BFA in sound effects. Also, Paul is the sound effect addict. Goodbye. I'll be on the moon with Elon Musk.
Well, Michael earned himself a combo meal and an extra Sun Chips for the road. It's gonna be a long flight to the moon. So just so everyone knows, all the sound effects in this video are royalty-free from the Creative Commons or from the Final Cut Pro 10 program. And I think Michael and I really do a good job with kind of collaborating and finding the right sound effects to heighten the comedy, if you will. Let me know what your favorite sound effect is. Do you like that whistle one? Do you like the fart one? Do you like that casino one? Maybe you like the classic bone break. So be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching.
Jackpot! Oh, my stomach.
Oh, there's a sound.